We are at a library program Saturday, October the 10th, 2020, and it's a socially distancing event up here in Blairstown near the airport in the gazebo. And we are with Brad Kohler. He's down around Leisure Village West in Toms River area, and he's come up here to work with us to make walking sticks. And Ricky's got his going on, and I've got mine is a sassafras piece of wood. I'm really happy with it, and I've just carved or filed, I guess, really. This is called filing or filing, using this tool here to go diagonally or across, not up and down, perpendicular to the wood anyway. And the main thing he wanted us to do is to get a smooth surface where you would be holding to use it as a walking stick. And I guess could go down as far as where I want to carve, but he said to leave the bottom of it as it is.
Leave the bottom as what?
As it is.
As it is?
Yeah, he just said the area where you want to hold or, I think, carve. And Ricky's got a thing that's Brad's granddad, and Ricky's got one of these files like this at home, supposedly. He's filing with something like he has from his granddad, but this is from Brad's granddad.